here's another song from Ray Valero. Our song for tonight is all OPM song. Hello, babe. Hindi pa yan nag-strict. Okay. Our song for tonight, I have a special guest here. My one and only. My love. And here's it, another song from Ray Valero. Ikaw, naalala ka? Ikaw pala ang... Ikaw, naalala ka? Ikaw pala ang hinihintay ko, pag-ibig. Sa nobela lang matatagpuan. And there's it, another song from Ray Valero, Naaalala Ka. Sarap ng may minamahal, ang daigdig ay may kulay at buhay. At kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik. Another song from Ray Valero, Kamusta Ka? Kamusta ka? Ikaw ay walang pinag-iba. Ganyan pa rin ang tayo ay muling magkita. Thank you very much, babe, for your love and support. Sa tuwin ay naaalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibigin pang iba. Jin, jin, jin. Aking pag-iisa, wala nang ibigin pang iba. Jin, jin, jin. Bakit ka, babe? Kahit hanggang ganyan at hindi nakita, ako'y nasasabik na sa'yo. Kumusta ka na, nalulungkot ka rin ba? Sana ay kapiling kita. Thank you very much, babe. Love you. Sumulat ako upang malaman mo, ako'y tapat pa rin sa'yo. babe. Thank you for your support. And Ian Marata just reached live fun level 3 in your fun club. Okay, babe, thank you very big, thank you, love you. Level 3 na yung fun club ko. Umulat bumagyaw, ayos lang. Kang nangangamba, ayos ba? Wow, daming gift ng asawa ko. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ay, ano yun? Baka sakaling mahalin, hindi kaya alam to. I hope you understand. And this is the part of my live broadcast. And here's another song from OPM song from Ray Valera. Ang tayong dalawa. Thank you. Colombo. And there's some Tagalog song. From Ray Valera. Pangako. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginawa ating pag-ibig upang di magkalayo. And here's another song from Ray Valera. Our song for tonight is all OPM song. Hello, babe. Hindi pa yan nag-strict. Okay. Our song for tonight, I have a special guest here.